How to fix ChatGPT not working on mobile. To fix if your ChatGPT app isn't working on mobile, there could be various reasons for this. Start off by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you. If you're using the ChatGPT app on Android, long press the ChatGPT app icon, then just tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page. From here you can go to the storage tab where you can clear cache and you can clear the data. If you're using iPhone, you have to offload the app. Then go to your Play Store or App Store and simply search for the ChatGPT app. Check if the ChatGPT app has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Once you've done all of that, you should be able to go ahead and then fix if the ChatGPT app is not working on your mobile phone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.